Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Band 3E and I'm gonna show you how to perform soft reset on this device. Let's start by tapping on the bottom of the screen to wake it up, and now let's tap on it again until we find more icon, then press and hold on the bottom to enter, like this. Here we have restart icon. Now let's press and hold on the bottom to confirm. And after a few seconds, our band will reboot. And that's how you perform the soft reset on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.